Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this solar street light. So this is going to be pretty awesome. You know, a lot of people put these on their barns, their garages, and anywhere that they want a lot of lighting. So we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so they give you a remote control. On the remote control, we'll go over some of the features. So you got timer, 3 hour, 5 hour, 8 hour, automatic, on, off, brightness, and different mode. This is it. So this is the light. And as you guys can see, it's very big. There is a sensor. So what it does, unless you can change the mode and you can manually have everything on. But if you have it on auto, it stays dim. So it's dim and then it gets bright as it picks up. So it would stay sort of dim. Now, as you guys can see, it is solar. So when it detects light, the light doesn't actually come on. So the street light stays off until it gets dark, and then it comes on. Once it gets dark, this is what happens. It turns on and it goes on maximum brightness depending on what you set the settings up for. And as you guys can see, very bright. You need to have this on or off, or use your on off on, or use your on and off on your remote. They give you the bracket. They give you also the pole for mounting. So you would mount it. They do give you a quick little installation user manual, and it shows how to set it up. If you can't find this, it is in your box, so just lift up everything inside your box because it is inside. They give you all the bolts that you need. They do give you the 2 batteries for your remote. Let's go ahead and show you guys how. I do want to point out one thing. You need to press the red button. So on this solar light, press the red button, and now you can use the remote for on and off. So as you guys can see, we can turn it off with the remote. We can turn it on with the remote, no problem at all. So, and again, you can adjust different brightness. And you can adjust mode as well. So whatever you select, you guys can adjust using that. We're going to select, keep it on auto. So just remember that this button has to be pressed first before you can use the remote, or else it doesn't work. You can't turn it on or off. Even if you press this little red button on here, it doesn't do anything. So just keep that in mind, guys. Make sure the red button is turned on first before you mount it. So guys, as you can see, super bright. So on a day like now, it's, after 8:20 p.m. it's still light out. You're not gonna have it kick on quite yet, so it's gonna take a lot darker to kick on. But as you can see now, we flip the panel, it does kick on. Overall, guys, it's nice. I'm gonna be installing it in a future date, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Super bright, really awesome.